Alright, so Motorola just dropped what they're calling the most powerful flip phone in the world. And honestly, it's kind of true. This is the new Motorola RAZR Ultra 2025. And it's not just a flip phone with a big screen anymore. It's packed with Moto AI everywhere. And if you were even a little bit curious about a smart, capable foldable, this might finally be it. In this video, we're going to go over exactly what you get with the RAZR Ultra. The design, the displays, the AI features, the performance, the cameras, all of it. By the end, you'll know whether this is just hype or if Motorola actually did it this time. Here's how we'll break it down. First, we'll talk about the design and build, then what Moto AI can actually do, then the displays, performance, cameras, and finally, whether this phone is worth it for you. So, first impressions with this thing feels way more premium than before. Motorola's using a titanium hinge now, which they claim is way stronger and helps cut down on that center crease that's been a problem on other foldables. You've also got some new finishes like Alcantara, real wood, and even a deep red option that looks really slick. Plus, it's IP48 rated, so it's not totally waterproof, but it's a lot tougher than older RAZRs. Now, Moto AI is kind of the star of the show here. It's built right into the phone, even on the outside screen. You've got features like Catch Me Up to summarize notifications, Remember This to basically be your memory bank, and Pay Attention to transcribe conversations on the fly. There's even a dedicated AI button to jump straight into it. So it's not just there in the background, it's meant to be something you actually use. Speaking of screens, Motorola went all in. Inside, there's a 7-inch foldable display that gets crazy bright, up to 4,500 nits. Outside, the cover screen is now 4 inches, which is huge for a flip phone. And it's not just a passive screen either. You can fully run Google Photos, reply to messages, run Spotify or Bose panels, even access your AI tools without opening the phone. Performance-wise, it's running the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Motorola's newest top-end processor, paired with 16 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. Translation, it's fast, like no compromises fast. Plus, it's ready for Wi-Fi 7 and has the latest 5G, so it's about as future-proof as a flip phone can be right now. On cameras, Motorola's stepping it up too. You're getting a triple 50-megapixel setup. There's AI working here as well, with stuff like group shot, action shot, photo enhancement engine, and crazy good stabilization built in. And yeah, the battery, it's a 4,700 milliamp hour pack with 68 watt fast charging and 30 watt wireless charging. You're basically looking at a full day's use easy, with a quick top up when you need it. Bottom line, Motorola took the classic RAZR flip form and made it actually smart, powerful, and kind of futuristic. If you've been waiting for a foldable that feels more like a real daily driver and less like a gimmick, this might be it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.